So you're struggling with weight loss, and you're not alone, because it's estimated right now that about 55% of all of the women in North America are attempting to lose weight, about 48% of men, which I think again proves that women are generally smarter, but that's another subject completely. So it's a really important time to not get sucked into fads and more expenses and difficult processes when I can give you two primary steps to be able to bring an incredible weight loss pattern into your life that you can hang on to for years. When you know that you've got pure water, it puts you in a situation where you can remineralize it, and this is where the weight loss comes. As you hit your hydration targets, one of the first things that happens when you've got the right balance of minerals going into your body through natural sources in water is the satiation senses that keep you constantly hungry are going to be abated, silenced. Just stick with me as we go into step 2. So step 1, we're going to make sure that we get you set up with an I Drink Living Water kit so that you can take control of how to clean your water correctly, how to mineralize it right. But step 2 is based on pushing back on all of those enriched flours that are coming from genetically modified sources that our body has a tremendous amount of difficulty in breaking down and managing. And we could spend an hour and a half talking about this. You know what I'm talking about, pizza crusts and hamburger buns and all the rest of those things. But listen, guys, there are alternatives to all of these things. As the gluten issues have become more and more predominant because of sicknesses that are happening intergenerationally now with regard to toxins, forever chemicals, reaction to genetically modified products, what's happening is there's a broader range of things that are available that do not have refined carbohydrates in them anymore. So these two things are going to contribute to being able to help you. Just as a personal testimony with regard to this, 4 weeks ago, we made these 2 simple adjustments focused on hitting our own hydration targets. And over that course of 3.5 weeks at this point in time, I'm down to 172 pounds and feeling super trim and fit for doing it. So I just want to tell you, it's possible. I know this stuff is frustrating, but again, we don't want to get stuck in expensive solutions that don't bring extra benefits into our lives. We don't want to be in fad diets. We don't want to starve ourselves to death. We want to make sure that our bodies are working the way that they were created. That's why we call it I Drink Living Water. We just don't want you to thirst for unhealthy things. We want to thirst for freedom. If this has been beneficial, make sure to like, link, and subscribe. Hit the link below, register, and check out the information about the water kits and how we might be able to get you set up with something that would be really life-changing with regard to your health and the health of your family, as well as the planet, because this is one area of your life that you can move in that is 100% free of plastics. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Hit the link below.